Welcome to Stelrad, the UK's leading manufacturer of radiators. How to install a towel rail. This installation guide applies to the following Stelrad towel rails: Slimline towel rail, Classic towel rail, Caliente rail, Caliente curved rail, Concord rail, and the Caliente vertical. Before we get started, let's run through the tools you'll need. Screwdriver, drill, spanner, radiator valve tail key, radiator bleed key, dust sheet, cloths or rags, tape measure, pencil, spirit level, suitable personal protective equipment, and packaging cutter. And the materials you'll need are Stelrad towel rail, mounting accessories, PTFE tape or jointing compound, and corrosion inhibitor. We recommend that Stelrad radiators are only used with indirect heating systems and installed to British standards BS 5449. In your radiator pack, you'll find 4 mounting brackets, chrome bracket caps, an air vent, and blanking plugs. Now let's get started. Prior to installation, the water and heating system should be switched off. Take care when unpacking the radiator to ensure you don't lose any of the parts or fittings. Next, remove all the transit plugs. Before fitting the towel rail, fit the air vent and plug to the relevant towel rail connections. PTFE tape or jointing compound is not required, and be careful not to over-tighten the vents and plugs. Now prepare the valve tails with PTFE tape or jointing compound and fit to the desired connections. Once you're happy that the towel rail is fully prepared, start by locating the correct position for the brackets on the wall. Hold the towel rail in its proposed position. Ensure there's a minimum clearance of 100mm at either side and 150mm clearance above and below the finished towel rail position. Make a mark on the wall where the towel rail starts and finishes. Next, measure from this mark inwards to the correct position for the centre of the bracket. Using a spirit level, draw a vertical line on the wall. Centrally in the gap between the second and third rails top and bottom, mark a horizontal line crossing the vertical pencil line already made. At the point where both the pencil lines cross, drill and plug the holes. Screw in both valves and fit the TRV and lock shield. Next, screw the outer part of the mounting sleeve to the wall. Loosely fit the inner part of the mounting sleeve to the towel rail between the second and third rails. Do this twice at the top and twice at the bottom. Fit the towel rail to the wall, aligning the inner mounting sleeve into the outer mounting sleeve. With the towel rail centred, tighten the bolts of the inner sleeve. Then, using the grub screws, lock the inner and outer sleeves together. Next, tighten the valves to the pipework and turn to their open position. The corrosion inhibitor can be added at this point. Once the valves are open, turn the water back on and bleed the towel rail using the radiator bleed key. Once the installation is complete, check for leaks and switch the heating on. Make sure that all packaging is disposed of safely and in an environmentally friendly way. For more help or information on fitting your Stelrad towel rail, simply visit www.stelrad.com. We're here to make installation easy. This video is intended as a guide only. Please ensure that you have the experience required.